Because it's cute.
The Oreo. Suave.
So Rusty might be getting his braces off, but guess what? We're going to have an ice cream. Hello, welcome to Ben and Jerry's. How you doing? Good. Trying to cheer this kid up. All right, what can I get for you, buddy? Give him the cheer up cream. Are you really sad, Dig? I can tell you one thing. If Chunky Monkey don't make you happy, nothing will. Hey, you think that's funny? Chunky Monkey?
Ooh.
Come on, man. One of these things got to bring out a big laugh in you. Can I have a strawberry banana smoothie? You got it, boss. Sure you don't want a cherry on top, Dig? Yeah. Put an extra banana in there? What about it? Look at that. How hard they're working for you. You know? The other day I was thinking,
What's that,
when I
Steve?
say the
No
colors of
cameras.
red was the
No
loudest,
cameras, please.
strawberry and the strawberry,
No cameras, please.